Hi everyone. So, good evening. Um, sa lahat ng bagay na pinagdadaanan natin sa life, God will bring you through. Ibig sabihin, kung sabi nga sa Isaiah, God said, when you go through the waters, I will be with you. When you go through the rivers, they will not overwhelm you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. It is interesting that God didn't say that I will keep you out of the fire if you will not face any floods. The challenges will come. There's always adversity that we encounter. Each one of us, there is a process of adversity. We have to understand that the whole key of this verse is He will be with us in the fire, in the flood, in the river. He is always with us. And this is a great testimony that He will not came for us to keep out on the fire, but He will be with us and brought us through it. So, swerte natin because God walked through with us. God is with us always. Like what God said to Daniel, I am with you. To Joseph, I am with you. God always with us. So, everyone is excited that when you died, there is a thinking, there is a mindset that was the time that we're with God. But the heaven is already here because God is here. He walked with us. He's with us. He's with you. So whatever the diversity that you encounter, remember that He's with you. No matter how hard it is, no matter how tough what you go through right now, God is with you. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.